Hey there, today we are going to see about how to draw a linear spiral. The normal spiral tool we have will not able to form a linear spiral. This is the normal spiral tool. If you use this like this, there is no linearity in between the curves. So how we can draw the linear spiral is, it's a small trick we can use and easily we can draw the linear spiral. First of all, we need to go to the polar grid tool, click this and just click here, and you can choose the width and height whatever you want. I'm choosing 600 px and make this the radial divider as 0 and make the concentric divider as 20, not 20, and how much you want you can choose. Just click OK. Now we have formed the concentric circles. Okay, making this a little bit big. Okay, now what we are going to do is we need to split this into two halves. For that, what we have to do is, okay, now go to this option. This is the direct selection tool. Shortcut key is A. Okay, just select the top half. Okay, only the top half, like this. Okay, now we are going to cut this. So for that we have to go to edit, cut, or Control X. So we have cutted the half. Now go to this object, not object, edit, paste in place. Okay, now we have cut this into two halves. Okay, select this and go near this and just move this to the next one. Okay, so we have moved this to the next one. Hold the shift and move, because that will make the inline move shift. Okay, we have moved to the next one. So, and after that this will look like this. Now what we have to do is just delete one by one by leaving the first delete. If you are not deleting this, delete this, do not delete this by one. So before that you need to ungroup everything. Just hold select object, ungroup, again select and check, ungroup, until all the things has been ungrouped. Okay, again select whole thing, object. Okay, everything is ungrouped. Now we are going to delete one by one. So I'm going to delete this one, and next is holding the shift, hold the shift and select the next one. Okay, leave one between the other curves. Okay, just delete this, click this, click this one. Okay, just delete. Next we have to select the same, we have to do the same thing at the top. Select this. Next, okay. Next, select this one. This one. Okay. Now we have formed a linear spiral. This is the another way, and just you can change the color of the stroke. Before that, just group it, right click, group, and if you want to change stroke you can choose the red one. Okay, and if you want to increase, now it looks good, right? This is the another way of creating a linear spiral. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.